We did our project on a neurological condition called synesthesia. So synesthesia is basically the overlapping of senses. So some people might associate colours with numbers and letters. So for example, A is red, or B is blue, and 2 is green. And then there's different types as well. So there's over 60 types. So chromesthesia, for example, is when people listen to music. They might see different colours, such as blue when they're listening to rock music, or they might see triangles when they're listening to staccato or something like that.
We did 1,700 surveys, so we got them all back, and we asked questions about your talents and gender, and we made sure they're all within an age category. So we found out some really interesting information in the surveys, and we got loads of different examples of them, and Ina can tell you about what we got.
So overall we found that 23.75% of the population actually have synesthesia, which is a huge result, and we found that it occurs most in males and females who are good at sport, art and music, and it occurs least in those who are good at languages.